Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you a method where you can earn $100 per hour for just viewing and watching YouTube videos, okay? So you're going to be making money watching YouTube videos, and you can do this worldwide, guys, okay? So let's get started right now. Alright guys, so in today's method, I'm going to be showing you it's going to be worldwide. So a lot of people could be using this, but you got to be 18 or older. And you're going to be watching YouTube videos with a twist. And you're going to be earning potentially $100 per hour or more, guys. And it's going to be easy, okay? However, if you wish to learn how to earn a full-time online income, instead, where you can actually earn passively, because you're not going to be earning passively with this method today, you're going to need to check out the second link in my video description to learn how to do it with an online business model that allows you to earn passively 24/7 a day and work at your own schedule. So that second link is also where I learned from as well, and I've been using this online business model since 2016 and still thriving today. It's really your best and simplest way for a beginner to earn much bigger money online than doing today's method. Anyway, I hope this works for you guys, so let's get started. You're going to need two sites today. The first site you need is called Add Me Fast at addmefast.com. Now, this site is a but a network where you could trade social engagement, okay? That's what I meant to say. So they are very protective of who can be on this website because they do not want bots, okay? So this is to gain real engagement on social media, and these guys are always checking to make sure there's a human behind the screen, okay? So I'm going to take you inside. So for signing up already, you're going to already get 200 points here. And I'm going to show you how this works. So once you're inside, there is a little sign up process. So when you sign up, you just need your email and a password. And then you're going to confirm your email address in your email that they send you. Okay, so you're going to click that link. And once you're verified, then you can log in here and go to this page. So once you're inside, like I am right now, I already gained 200 points just to log in, just to sign up, and I gained the 93 points just to view YouTube videos, okay? It's very easy. So to gain points here, what you're going to do is come to the left here, it says free points. So you could do any of these things over here to gain points. And some will pay more than others, so you need to check them out, okay? But we're looking at videos today, so let's see. At watching videos. So the way to watch views, the only views I see is for YouTube videos anyway. So you just click on YouTube views, and they're going to check. Oh, they're not checking me. This one, I could get 17 points, okay? So all I need to do is view video. And this window pops up. So I just need to view it for 30 seconds, and it could be just open in the background while you do other things. But watch this though, okay? I'm going to forward this a little bit. You see how I'm telling you, they're always checking if there's a human. So it's asking me to click the image to orient them. But like, this drives me crazy too because it's hard to tell how to orient this. Sometimes you don't have to do it. It's a trick. So, okay, see, I got through. So I got 17 points. See, I went up to 310 now. And then the next video is 7 points. So I could skip it or view it. It's up to you what you want to do. But so I've already gained over 100 points very quickly. And literally, I was just looking at this for a little while. What do you do after you collect these points, right? You want to turn it into cash. And that's what the second site is going to be for. So Player Up at playerup.com, this is where you could buy and sell social engagement. So what you're going to do is when you earn these points, you're going to sell those points by using this site. And how are you going to do that is scrolling all the way down near the bottom here where it says all other games marketplaces. And then you're going to look under F, for example, for Facebook. You could use Facebook likes, Facebook followers, and Facebook shares, maybe even Facebook views, but I'm going to try Facebook likes right now. So here you could sell your own package like these guys are doing, and then get those people on the Add Me Fast to actually do the liking for you using the points that you earn. So like this one, they are selling $50. They're selling 100 Facebook likes for $50, okay? So let's see how this works. So once you have a gig, so you're going to set up an account here. You're just going to log in or sign up through here. And all you got to do is very easy. You just could log in with anything like that. And this is also worldwide. I think anybody could come into here. So what you do is once you set up your gig and sell and somebody buys your 100 Facebook likes, then you're going to take that order over to Add Me Fast here and then do your own gig on Add Me Fast. So see, there's different things that you can do. So you could use any of the types of engagement that you're going to sell on Player Up. So let's say Facebook likes for this example, and you could do any title you want. And then they're going to provide you with the page URL when you sell your gig over here on Player Up. Because when they buy now, they're going to need to supply you with the actual post or page that they're going to want to get likes for, right? So then you would paste it here. Then you can add how many clicks you want total. So you could put 100 total clicks, and then you can say how many clicks you want per day, because you don't want to be too fast because then Facebook will be suspicious. So you want to spread them out, and then you could just put however points you want for each like. So you could put as little as 5 if you want, okay? And then that's it. So you would need to have 500 points because you want 100 likes, right? 100 total action. So when they say total clicks, it's just total whatever action that you want from here, okay? You want 100 likes, then that means that you're going to pay 5 points per like. So that's 500 points you need. So that's not going to be a problem because as I was showing you earlier, when I was viewing these YouTube views, they were between, like I had one that was what, 10 points or 17 points, and then now it's 7 points. So it kind of varies the number of points that you can earn. Let's say I could earn 10 points per video per 30 seconds because you only need to view it for 30 seconds, okay? I'm going to just take an average because you could earn either 7 points or 17 points for 30 seconds. So times 2 is going to be 1 minute, and then times 60 is 1 hour, okay? So I could actually, if I kept doing the videos, I could earn 1,200 points in 1 hour, and I only needed 500 points for that gig on Player Up to sell 100 Facebook likes for $50. So that means that with 1,200 points, I could definitely make $100 for the hour that I watched here, because that interprets more than 1,000 points that I need to actually gain the Facebook likes, okay? So something like this can be done, and this is how you can earn this way with this method. This is something a lot of people are doing. They come here to this site and they gain tons of points, and they also have a referral program where you could earn 999 points, guys, if you do referrals. So, I mean, if you guys want to sign up and use this link, you know, you can see it here. I'm not going to put it in my video description though, but it's just going to be here if you want to use it, but you don't need to use it. You just sign up, go there and sign up. I don't really care, okay? It doesn't really matter to me. But if this method does not work out for you, check out that second link in my video description, because that kind of work that I do makes you a lot more money. Plus, you can earn passively, meaning you can earn over and over again for the work that you put into your online business. And this is a business model that allows you to earn any time of the day, because this is an internet business model that you're going to be using. So when it's on the internet, it's 24/7. So that's why you can earn any time of the day. but you could work on your own schedule, okay, and work as little as or as much as you want. So check out that program in the video description. It is going to be the second link so that you can learn some online skills to make this internet business happen for you. Okay, guys? So if I can do it, I know you guys can do it too, and that's why I am recommending that program for you, because I learned from that program myself. Okay, so I hope you like this video, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. I come out with videos every single week, but I have no idea when they come out, so get notified, okay? So I hope I see you in the next video. Bye.